All right, so we're here in this activity, exponential relationships. So it's basically just saying you're going to graph and write exponential functions to model the population. Then you're going to use those to predict and draw a conclusion. So it's just telling you right here, they took the population of a town over 10 years. And so they start right here at 6,000, but this 6 is representing 6,000. And so, like it says right here, in the thousands, and then all the way to 31 point, or all the way to 9 years. And so what you want to do is highlight all of this stuff right here. And actually, let's go here, click the graphing tool, and it'll open up this in another tab, it'll open this up. And what you're going to do is take all of this data and highlight it. If you have a mouse, just right click and copy. If you don't, just do Control C as in cat, right? And then what you're going to do is come here, you're going to click on data. And then right here where you see data points, you click here and then right click on your mouse, or just click there if you don't have a mouse, and then paste it. Or if you don't have a mouse, do Control V as in Victor, right? And so now you have all the data points there about the town, right? And how its population grew. And so what you want to do, because it's asking you for the relationship, is exponential, right? Because that's what we're learning about, exponential relationships. So you got that. But if you come here, it's asking you to determine the curve of best fit, right? Especially this best fit part. And so what you do is you go here, you click on best fit, and it's going to give you this right here. And this will be your answer for the first one. Y equals 6 times 1.2 to the x exponent, right? So go ahead, and that's how you start this assignment. And so for this one, it's just asking you if the town continues to grow at the same rate, approximately what will be the population of the nearest 100 after 25 years. So basically what you're going to do is you're just going to, the x that you got for the exponent at the very top, you're just going to turn that x and substitute the 25 for that. And then again, it's going to ask you to use a graphing tool. And so you're just going to do the same thing that you did for the first one to answer that next question. And then after that, it's going to say right here in the 12th year after the initial. So what you're going to do for this one is just what you got for the previous curve of best fit. You just substitute that 12 right here for the x that you got for that previous one.